This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com as we continue into mid-January 2021. We continue seeing market pretty much at all-time highs, and because of the general market, we can see that markets have been very good to those playing the breakout game. Here's a stock today alone, that is up 190% for the day, today alone. Now I'll come back to this because it's the same formula over the last 20 years, 2 decades of amazing results using the same formula. Let's take a look at some examples to show how this has been playing out. December 4th for paid clients. We can see here a breakout. In fact, a future breakout at 1.65 for FRSX. Believe it or not, the stock is now trading as high as $11. Again, the breakout was issued as a breakout to watch when it moves above 1.65 just a couple of weeks ago. 1.65 was the buy point. Stock's at 11. Same formula. Let's take a look at another name, LAC, in the lithium space. This one's been mentioned a couple of times in December and January 5th. So we've been all over this one, and we can actually see the last breakout alert for paid clients here. Again, same formula. So January 5th, 2021, stock was trading at 14.42. The buy point was at 14.70. This is the monthly. Bang! If we take a look at the weekly, we can see our buy point was based on this weekly closing high at 14.70. Since that breakout alert, stocks go then up from 1470-ish. Stocks gone as high as close to 29 in about 3 weeks. Another one here, we can see this is alert sent on December 21st, 2020 as a future breakout. IZEA, the buy point is 1.425. So again, a thing of beauty. The buy point was when it moved above, or just before it moved above this level here, 1.4. The stock has gone as high as 4.75 in a couple of weeks. Now, these are very strong, unusual moves. And of course, as I stated in a previous video, let's not get too comfortable and expect this to be normal. The market is just being outright generous, and we should take advantage of this situation for as long as it lasts. At some point, these types of moves are going to be very rare. Let's take a look at one more for paid clients. November 30th, same formula that's been working for, I said, 20 years. Time tested, a method by yours truly. We can see here as a future breakout to watch. POLA, the buy point was at 6.23 as it moved above May 2018's monthly closing high. Let's take a look at that chart. And here's a chart. Again, another beautiful, explosive situation. Same formula. Time tested and delivers. So that's your entry under 6. Around 6. Let's call it around 6. Stocks going as high as 1550, give or take. And again, if you know what you're looking for, the market's been doing this with a lot of successful explosive moves towards late 2020 into early 2021 so far. And again, it goes to show you the power of breakouts, because it rides any underlying momentum in any instrument, especially in a sector that is explosive. So I promise to come back to this stock that is exploding as I speak. In fact, it is at day highs, now up about 220% for today alone. Yes, for today alone. And if we take a look at the monthly chart, so we can always make sure that we don't miss out. Anybody who was playing the breakout here, which by the way, I was in the process of sending an alert, but this thing did not wait for nobody. I was gonna use the second breakout level here, but even that was not good enough for this stock, because as you can see, it has been taking off. So these were the two ideal entry points today, right there, breaking above monthly closing highs for 2020 or the monthly closing high for late 2019. And why is it a powerful, explosive move? Well, take a look at your RSI and MACDs. RSI is moving to 3-year highs. MACDs are also moving to 3-year highs minimum. So there is the minimum requirements for the same method. Powerful method, time tested for explosive situations and timing. Ultimate Muathe Breakout links are gonna be in the description of the video. Love light, light love. Namaste.